Hello, dumelang thabela rea lotjha. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Sepedi lessons with kgarebeyamopedi. Today's topic is animals. We're going to diphoofolo di ruiwa tša gae. We're going to learn about the domestic animals in today's video. Disclaimer, I do not own copyright for any of the pictures used in this video. They're only there for education purpose. A dog is called mpya. A goat is called pudi. A sheep is called nku. A cow is called kgomo. A pig is called kolobe. A cat is called katse. A horse is called pere. A donkey is called donkey. A chicken is called kgogo. A duck is called lepidipidi. A guinea fowl is called kgaaka. A dove is called leeba. A pigeon is called LEEBA-ROPE. We have reached the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment down below, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching.